Bought at Harbor Freight. Yay.
Okay, there's something called a spudger, which is basically a wedge used to separate plastic. That way you don't mark up your plastic. This is the hard. This would be fun if you break it for the video. Yay! Okay, so what's holding it on there? These little things around the edge. There goes the spudger. There you go. Click.
There's a little lever there.
Gotcha. Videoing. So that little thing there you have to reset because it just got too hot. That was a toothbrush there.
Thermal switch.
Thermal switch. It lives.